Let's talk a little bit more about weather. How's the weather? Pakalbėkime dar šiek tiek apie orą. Kaipgi oras? It's warm. Šilta. It's warm. It's cold. Šalta. It's cold. It's hot. Karšta. It's hot. It's sunny. Saulėta. It's sunny. It's cloudy. Debesuota. It's cloudy. It is snowing. Sninga. It is snowing. It is raining. Lyja. It is raining. It's foggy. Lauke rūkas. It's foggy. It's windy. Vėjuota. It's windy. It's humid. Drėgna. Humid reiškia, kada lauke drėgna ir šilta. It is humid when it's very warm and wet. It's humid. How's the weather? Kaip oras? Koks oras? Is it warm outside? Ar lauke šilta? Is it warm outside? Yes, it is warm outside. Taip, lauke šilta. Yes, it is warm outside. Is it cold outside? Ar lauke šalta? Is it cold outside? Yes, it is cold outside. Taip, lauke šalta. Yes, it is cold outside. No, it is not cold outside. Ne, lauke nešalta. No, it is not cold outside. Is it windy outside? Ar lauke vėjuota? Is it windy outside? Yes, it is windy outside. Taip, lauke vėjuota. Yes, it is windy outside. No, it is not windy outside. Ne, lauke nevėjuota. No, it is not windy outside. Wind, tai yra vėjas. Wind. Is it raining outside? Ar lauke lyja? Is it raining outside? Yes, it is raining outside. Taip, lauke lyja. Yes, it is raining outside. No, it's not raining outside. Ne, lauke nelyja. No, it is not raining outside. Is it snowing outside? Ar lauke sninga? Is it snowing outside? Yes, it is snowing outside. No, it is not snowing outside. Thunder. Griaustinis. Very loud thunder. Labai garsus griaustinis. Triukšmingas. Thunder. Griaustinis. It is very hot. Labai karšta. It is very hot. It is very humid. Labai drėgna lauke. It is very humid. Dar kartą. Humid, drėgnas. Humidity, drėgmė. It is very foggy. Labai didelis rūkas. Fog, rūkas. It is very foggy. It is very foggy. It is cloudy. Debesuota. Cloud, tai yra debesis. Clouds, debesis. It is cloudy. It is sunny. Saulėta.